Let's kick off this explainer. We're tackling cloud computing's most confusing puzzle today. Seriously, what's the actual difference between a Kubernetes pod and a container? Let's break it down.
First up, the container. This is your raw, packaged application code built using software like Docker.
It's literally just your isolated app packed up tightly and 100% ready to run.
But here's a massive secret. Kubernetes doesn't actually run containers directly. Crazy, right?
Instead, it uses a pod. That's the Kubernetes wrapper, and the absolute smallest deployable unit.
The best way to picture a pod? Think of it as a tiny, dedicated home.
This little home gives your container its very own network, storage, and completely safe environment.
So basically, the container is the resident living inside, and the pod is the physical house.
You'll see multiple pods running side by side on a worker node, each safely guarding its resident.
Now you're probably wondering, why add this extra layer? Why not just run the container?
The answer is collaboration. A pod actually lets multiple different containers work together as one team.
Enter the sidecar pattern. It's like having a helper container act as your app's dedicated pit crew.
Because they share that house, these containers communicate instantly over localhost and share storage. Pure magic.
But wait, what if traffic spikes and you need to scale up your app quickly?
You absolutely do not stuff more containers into one pod. You spin up brand new pods.
Always remember, pods are totally ephemeral. They're born, they do the work, they die, they're replaced.
Which leaves us with a wild question. If pods constantly vanish, who's managing all this chaos?